My popsicle is melting. Oh. It's such a hot day. Papa! Where are you? Papa, why is the sun so incredibly hot? Is it a giant campfire in the sky?
That's a wonderful question, Zuzu.
It's not quite a campfire.
Not a campfire, Zuzu. It's more like a giant, super powerful squeezing machine. To see how it works, we have to travel deep into the very heart of the sun. Look at these tiny blue guys. They are called hydrogen. There are billions of them, and they are all being squeezed together very tightly. Every time they smash, they release a huge POP of energy.
Whoa!
Just like popcorn, but way more powerful.
It's so bright, Papa.
That energy turns into light and heat. That pop of energy turns into bright light and warmth. It travels all the way through space to keep us warm here on Earth.
Whoa! So the sun is a giant, glowing popcorn party in the sky? That's amazing!
It sure is, Zuzu. Now, let's get you into the shade before you turn into popcorn too.